Hi guys, have a nice day. You can watch craft. Hi guys, you can watch the alphabet M. You can watch two kitty faces bed with crafts. Now you can see horse faces making with different crafts, colorful moon. You are watching on the screen. Different colors. You can watch a wall hanging, smart cutie ovals, and now you watch another wall hanging. Uh, another wall hanging you can watch on the screen. Different shades, uh, beautiful, colorful flower and wall hanging. You can watch now different beautiful design wall hanging, white color. You have watch on screen the wall hanging design craft, wall hanging colorful design, heart shape, two bows, a heart shape and flower craft you can watch on the screen. Now you can watch a horse face and woolen strings on beautiful horse, colorful woolen strings. Now you can watch another wall hanging beautiful colors. Now you can watch heart shape. You can easily made at home, step by step, number wise. You teach the colorful wall hanging. Another two you can watch easy and simple sunflower, beautiful color, wall hanging, beautiful design, more colorful and beautiful wall hanging you can watch. Now you can watch ring with the beads. The now you can watch on screen text you can made, a tree you can made on ring, wall hanging beautiful decoration piece, a keychain you can watch on beads of alphabet, a horse face, cute horse face, woolen strings. You can watch the stepwise. You can watch colorful strings, woolen strings, and unused places of flower of wall hanging. The three wall hanging bows and heart shape, cute doll. You can watch on the screen. Another wall hanging you can watch with the ring and the colorful wall hanging you can watch on screen. The cute face, doll face, you can watch the wall hanging.